Yeah, guys, the last video we said we are going to start from the midpoint of the line. You're welcome to Uspada tutorial once again, and this is the second video we're dropping. We hope you found the first video very educative, at least to some extent it helped you. Okay, now moving to the midpoint of the line. And when you have a line drawn like this, and you have a point P and a point Q, then you are asked to find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line. Now checking this point P with the coordinate x1, y1, and the point Q with the coordinate x2, y2. Now you bring out the triangle PRS. Now this one, the triangle from this side, then you bring out this triangle RQT. Now if you notice, both triangles actually they are both similar right angled triangles. Now you can use the fact that the triangles are similar to compare the size of the triangle. Now using the similar triangles, your PR, the side PR over the side PS should be the same thing as your RQ over your RT. Now if you note from this point that we noted, your PS is the same thing as your RT because they are both at the down part of the fraction. They are both the denominators of each side. Now from this point, your side PS is the same thing as the distance from P to point S, which is x minus x1. So your x minus x1 is equal to your RT. This is x2, this is x. So your distance between RT, x2 minus x, x2 minus x. And now you just bring like terms together. So your x plus x will be equal to x2 plus x1. So now 2x will be equal to x2 plus x1. So your x now will be x2 plus x1 all over 2. This is the coordinate of the x part, the midpoint of the line. Now to find the coordinate of the y, we use the same similar triangles, but now using ratio of a different side apart from the PS and the RT. Now we'll come here and pick, we see that a PR over our RS the same thing as RQ over QT, so that we can see that RS is the same thing as QT. Now checking out for side RS now, in the triangle PRS, this is your RS. At point R, the distance from this side to this side is y. Then at point S, it is y1. So now RS will be y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to, then your QT, the coordinate for Q, you have x2, y2, that's y2 at the distance on the y-axis. The y-axis, and this is your x-axis. So for point Q, the distance on the y-axis is y2. Actually, this point is y2. Then point T. Now tracing out point R. So here, this level is y. So the difference between Q and T, the distance is actually y2 minus y. y2 minus y. So we can do the same thing. bringing out the like times y plus y will be equal to y2 plus y1, so that we can see our 2y to be y2 plus y1, then our y is y2 plus y1 all over 2. So now the coordinate of the midpoint of the line will be x2 plus x1 over 2 and y2 plus y1 over 2. So these are the two coordinates for the midpoint of the line. So now let's check out examples on what we just explained to ourselves. Yeah, let us take two examples actually. So for the first example, we have the first point C. So here 4, 4, which is telling us that the value on the x coordinate, our x1 is 4, then the value on the y coordinate is also 4, our y1. Then we come to the point D, its coordinates 2 and minus 6, telling us that the value on the x coordinates, our x2 is 2, then the value on the y coordinate y2 is negative of 6. So now, using the formula, the coordinate of the midpoint of a line on x-axis is x2 plus x1 over 2. So now our x2 is 2 plus 4 all over 2 is 6 over 2, and that is 3. Then for the y coordinate, y2 plus y1 over 2, which is the same thing as minus 6 plus 4 all over 2, and that is minus 2 over 2, is to give you minus 1. So that the coordinate of the midpoint of this line actually would be 3 minus 1. So now, moving to the second example, point E, its coordinates P and 0. So we know that our x1 here is P and our y1 is 0. Then point F is coordinate 0 and Q. So that we know that our x2 is 0, or y2 Q. So now to find coordinates of the midpoint on the x-axis will be x2 plus x1 over 2. This is the same thing as 0 plus p over 2, and that is p over 2. Then on y-axis, we have it to be y2 plus y1 over 2, and that is q plus 0 over 2, and is q over 2. So we can have the coordinate of the midpoint of this line to be p over 2 and q over 2. So I think this example we went through now should be able to give you a very good understanding about how to find the midpoint of a line segment.